Hello, this is Natalie and I hope you're good. Today it's Friday, so it's Friday Mindset Motivation, and in today's video we're gonna discuss on how to build a peaceful business, right? A peaceful business in a moving world. I mean, everything's changing, prices going really high in Europe, in the United States as well. And so sometimes we're gonna feel a bit afraid of the future, and we have all this vision that we want us to achieve, and we're like afraid. So before we dive into today's video, please give me a like if you want to know how to build a peaceful business while everything is changing and moving around. Give me a heart or comment below. Take action, and I'm just gonna thank you for that. But before we dive into this, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Natalie Elise and I live in Normandy, France, and I help network marketers and small business owners to develop their businesses using the leverage of the internet and social media, but I teach them to do it in a peaceful and not overwhelming way, because there are so many different things to do to build a business, and sometimes it's gonna be really overwhelming. So I teach them to do it in a peaceful way, to spend time with their family, their kids, while they're still building a business. So in today's video, I just wanted to share 2 tips on how to build a peaceful business, even if things are moving around, okay? And I'm gonna share with you some of the things that we have to do every single day. Let me share with you a little bit about all the checklists that I'm doing every single day to build my business. This is what I do every single day. And I've got, my post plannings every single day of the week. And I've got, all the checklists that I'm doing. It's a lot of job. It's a lot of things when you're doing in a organic way, I would say. I'm trying to implement things like with paid strategies, but I know it's good also to connect with people. That's why I'm building more organically with my business, because I want to connect with people and I want to know how they feel. I want to know how they're building their journey, so I can bring an answer and help them to grow, right? So the thing that I have noticed is that people need breakthrough and people want to build in a peaceful way, okay? So that's why I'm sharing with you 2 tips today around how to build a peaceful business in a moving world, okay? So you probably noticed in France, energy is going very, very high, and we have this problem in Europe. It's totally crazy. It's totally crazy. When you want to take your car, you're just thinking, should I really move? Because it's so expensive to just move to another city or to go, and I know that in the United States, probably 7.5% high in January, so it's really totally crazy. And if you focus on the problem, so this is why it's Friday Mindset, because it's all about working on your mindset. It depends on where you focus your energy on, right? So the 2 tips are meditation, declaration, okay? Meditation. Why is it so important to meditate? And for those of you who know me, I don't build like meditation and transcendental or universal energy. I'm building my business upon God. And so my meditation is always around the Bible, because this is something that I can really rely on, and I truly believe it works, because I've got so many different successes in my life. I mean, breakthrough, the money comes back or at the perfect time. So I'm just smiling because it's so true. So the first tip is the mindset. Where do you focus your mindset? Okay, so right now you can focus your mindset on 2 things. Okay, you can focus your mindset on the prices that are going very, very high, or you can focus your mindset on your vision board. Okay, this is my vision board, and I did some videos in January, beginning of January, on how to have your vision board to go into that direction, because this is your breakthrough, okay? Your vision board is your breakthrough. So this idea of drawing my vision board doesn't come from me. It comes from Freddie Robertson, who is an awesome teacher from Grace City Bible School in England. Is my teacher, my mentor, and I just love the way he explained us how to have a vision board. So meditate on true thing, have this vision board. It should be where your focus should be, okay? If you are dreaming on your vision board, you're not overwhelmed. You're peaceful, and you're not pointing your energy and your vision on the prices that going very, very high and that you cannot control. But actually, you can control your vision board. This is where you want to go. So stay focused on this. Meditate on the Word of God. I've got some awesome Bible verses. If you want, you can just click the link below. I will put the link below for you to grab my 5 verses from the Bible to have your breakthrough, and I know you're going to be blessed with that. And so it was about the first tip. So give me a heart if you learned something. And the second tip is declaration. You have to declare where you want to go. You have to declare. So stop declaring price is going high. How can I do? I don't know how to do. You know where you're going, okay? Because through meditation, you have wonderful verses that tell you that your breakthrough is coming, okay? And I will give you this link to the different verses that you can take to make your declaration. So declare that you're gonna have success. Declare that all the things that are on your vision board is gonna happen. Declare all these things, and I'm sure you're gonna have your breakthrough. So remember, stop focusing on bad news, okay? The good news is you can control your vision, and your vision board should be where your focus should be, right? And so this is the first tip, and the second, declare where you're going. And one of the tips that I say in my ebook, the free ebook that I'm gonna give you the link, is that greater is coming. This is the first thing that I say to myself every morning before I wake up, before I go out of my bedroom. I say to myself, and I say to the world, greater is coming. Greater is coming, right? So I didn't show you. I still have my cup of tea. You should always try to find ways also to have this peace. And I'm using, I always love drinking a cup of tea. My mom is coming today, and I'm gonna have a really, really wonderful time with her. So that's why I did this video live a little bit earlier. But take time with your family, take time with the people that you love, and just declare things, work through meditation, Bible verses, and God is working for you. So know about that, and take the time to enjoy the process. Take the time to enjoy the journey, and I can't wait for you to tell me how wonderful results you have. Really, tell me. I want to know your results, and we're going to celebrate that together. Have an awesome day, a beautiful weekend, and I love you. See you on Monday. Bye.